In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the official Windows 10 ISO file directly from Microsoft. No third-party sites, no sketchy links. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open your browser and go to this link: https://www.microsoft.com/software-downloads/Windows 10. This is the official Microsoft page where you can download the ISO safely. Now, if you're using a Windows computer, you'll see a button that says Download Tool Now. Click on that to download the Media Creation Tool. Once it's downloaded, open the file. It's called MediaCreationTool.exe. When it launches, just wait a few seconds while it gets things ready. Now click Accept when the license agreement shows up. Next, you'll be given two options. Choose the second one that says Create Installation Media, USB Flash Drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. And then click Next. On the next screen, it will automatically select the recommended options for your PC. You can leave it as is, or uncheck the box if you want to change the language or edition. Click Next to continue. Now select ISO file and click Next again. Choose where you want to save the ISO file, for example, your desktop, and click Save. The tool will now start downloading the Windows 10 ISO file. This might take a little while depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. Once it's done, you'll see the ISO file in the location you selected. You can now use it to create a bootable USB drive or install Windows in a virtual machine. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Windows 10 ISO file. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, then like, subscribe, and comment if you faced any problem. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.